This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Juke. This crossover has a continuously variable transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, speed-sensitive volume controls, a turbocharger, a limited-slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, leather seats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, and this vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.